cumulative binomial probability tables. Example 2. So we're going to do the actual calculation this time, so we're going to look at values from the tables. So we've got n equals 10 there. This is just a snapshot of the probability table from the formula book. P 0.3 here, and we're looking for px less than or equal to 3, so we want this less than or equal to 3. So that's the actual answer. It's a straightforward question, and we've just worked out the probabilities here. Px equals 0 plus Px equals 1 plus Px equals 2 plus Px equals 3. All of those probabilities added together make up that value there. Part B, Px equals 3. So for equals 3, we're just looking for this probability. We need to work out the probability that x is less than or equal to 3, and then minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 2. So less than or equal to 3 will give us all of these. We don't want the 0, 1 and the 2, so we're going to subtract less than or equal to 2 off from this value, this part here. So less than or equal to 3, 0.6496 minus less than or equal to 2, 0.3828. Part C, Px greater than 2, so we want all of this region. The tables won't give us greater than or equal to 3, so we work out the other side instead. So we work out less than or equal to 2, and we'll do 1 minus to this region, and it will give us the other side. So we need to do 1 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 2, where that region is represented here. So we have 1 minus and less than or equal to 2, so it's 0.3828, so 0.6172. Part D, the probability that x is between 2 and 5 inclusive. So we want the 2 and we want the 5, and you'll see that the number line method here works really well. If you can visualize your method, it's a lot easier to work with. So we want Px less than or equal to 5, so we're going to look up everything here, but we don't want the 0 and the 1, so we have to subtract that part off. So we have Px less than or equal to 5 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 1. So less than or equal to 5 was this part, and less than or equal to 1 is this part. So 5 there, 0.9527, less than or equal to 1 here, 0.1493. Part E, for Px equals 0, so no successes in the 10 trials. X is 0 is there, and there's the answer. Every single other value here is less than or equal to 7, less than or equal to 3, but there is no such thing as less than or equal to 0. This is just equals 0. So the answer is just 0.0282.